Hello children, I am here again with the second video for the festival. This song is for Navratri special. We are going to do a garba on the song Chogada. So let us start with the choreography. So in the beginning there are 16 and 16, 32 counting of music. So starting, you will turn back and you will stamp your feet 8 times. You will stamp your feet 8 times. Okay? So, and keep your hands over here and stamp your feet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, right feet 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, from your right shoulder, you will turn, opening your hands. 1. Okay? So everybody together, boys and girls, say, when you're turning, you will do this. Right leg like this and left leg up. All the times you put it up. 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After the 16, you will move to the side, nodding your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, how the legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With this, the head will nod. Okay? Hands at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, 8 more countings. In that, what you will be doing? You will move to the 4 corners. 1, see the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First to the right corner, right back, left back. And what is the hand you will be doing? Hand, when you're moving to the right side, the right hand is down, left hand on top. So, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Whichever side you are moving, whichever leg is going first, with that the hand will be down and the other hand up. So when you are doing to the left side, when you are moving to the left side, so similar, left hand over here, right hand on top. So you are moving this. So that is the 8 counting. So I'll show you the total 16 and 16, 32 countings. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? After that, here you will jump to the sides. Okay? Then music again, the music changes. Okay? So in that what you will be doing, you have done it before also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was 8 and 8, 16 counting. So look at the legs. Jump, left leg back, jump, right leg back, jump, left leg back, jump, right leg back. With the hands down, clap and down, clap and down, clap and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, both the hands at the back, like here. Keep it here. From here, and boys, you can keep it over here like this if you want. Girls, keep it at the back. Boys, you can keep here. And what you will be doing? See the legs. Legs are nothing, only the upper body. What you will be doing? Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. With this, I am doing the leg also. See the legs. Okay, it's 1, 2, same leg which you did. Same leg which you did this one. Okay, the same leg. So it's dipping. So what you will be doing? Down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. 8 counting. Next, the lyrics comes. Okay. So in the lyrics, what you will be doing? The first step. Okay. Front, back. Look at my legs first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So 1. When you are doing the 1, left. Also you are touching the ground. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. With the hands, same hand, up and back. Up and back. I'm doing a dipping. Just watch me. I na 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 na. Okay? After that, 4 corners again. But the hand is different. See the legs first. Na 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 na. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So with the right leg only, and hand will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just 1. So hand, right hand up, up, up and up. Okay. So next is the same thing. Right and left back, left and right back, right and left back, left and right back. Only the hand is different. This hand down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us do it together, okay? So 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? The next step, you will, hand is like this, but the legs is different. First you will do to the left corner. Na 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 na. Watch my leg. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then you'll give a wave to your body. Okay, and hand is simple. In garba the hands are not so, it's very soft. Then comes again legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and just body weight. And hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and down. Head down. Okay. After that, Chogada I, hey hey, la na 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 na, hey hey, na 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 na. Okay, so 3 times. What you will be doing? Up. Chogada I, hey hey. Clap 2 times and legs 2 times. Same thing to the left side. Na 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 na. Okay, in front. Na na na, a jump. Na 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 na. Okay. After the jump, you will turn to the left side with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How? Hands just from the down, put it up, throw it up. From the down, throw it up. And legs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? So, and the next step is, watch my leg. 1, 2. Okay? So you are like kicking your back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And please keep your legs broad. Don't make it smaller, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hands down, clap, down, clap. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, clap, right hand down, left hand up. Clap, left hand down, right hand up. How? Say the legs, back, back. What do you do? Clap and clap 2 times. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just simple. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Body is shifting your body weight to the right side 2 times and left side 2 times. Let us do this thing together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright. In the next 16 again, see the legs first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a dipping. It's right, left up, left. Okay. So right here in front, right back. Right in front, right back. Right in front, right back. 3 times. And hands, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand down, right hand up. Right hand down, right hand up. So you will do this sidewise. Okay? So same leg, right leg over here, left hand up, right hand down. Alright? So after this 3 times, doing this 3 times, then 4 times you will move back and front leg. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and up. This ends. What this 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3, 1, see. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. It's just simple, just dipping. Hands, and with the hands you will do the next also. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and up. Give a and ends this song. Okay? So this much I have edited the song. This much we have done. So let us do with the music.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां ચોગાડા તારા છબીલા તારા रंगीला तारा रंग वेर जुए तारी बात चौगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग वेर जुए तारी बात रे चौगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा